Today, I'll show you how to create an awesome fast moving clone effect in CapCut PC. This effect gives your subject multiple ghost-like clones that move at high speed, creating a futuristic action-packed look perfect for dance edits, sports videos, and cinematic sequences. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline, then go to the effects panel and make sure you are in the body effect tab. Search for Apparate, select Apparate 2 and drag and drop it onto your clip. Instantly, you'll see fast moving clones trailing behind your subject, creating an energetic and eye catching effect. Now, let's fine tune it. On the right side editing panel, you'll find three key sliders. Strength adjusts how intense and visible the clone effect is. Rotate rotates the clone trails, allowing you to experiment with different motion directions. Speed controls how fast or slow the clones appear and disappear. Experiment with these sliders to customize the effect to your liking. And that's it. You've successfully added the fast moving clone effect in CapCut PC. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips.